What's up? It's your favorite lawyer, Allie Booker. How are you guys doing? Today, we're going to talk about proper attire for court and what you should wear depending on what's going on in court. Okay, so that's what we're going to go on. Let's get ready. Okay, so depending on what type of court date you're going for, there may be different things that you wear. Okay, I practice state as well as federal law. State as well as federal law. Federal law requires an additional bar license. You're going to United States District Court sometimes, or the court circuit, Fifth Circuit of Appeals, which is here in Louisiana. They cover that particular area. Supreme Court. So courthouse decorum with what you wear is different depending on where you go. If I was in federal court, my hair probably would not be down. This would be in probably one ponytail, or I would have a bun on my head. I'm gonna wear probably not so high shoes in federal court. Matter of fact, I got some on. I'm gonna take them off right now. I'm just gonna wear probably some sort of loafer like this in federal court. Okay. Or if I have a red bottom or a low red bottom, or I'm gonna wear uh probably something along those lines. Okay, it's not going to be a high shoe. Sometimes I wear my red bottoms, my skirts, just depending on what business I'm on is going to determine whether I'm going to wear a suit jacket or a dress. Okay, and so what I'm saying is presentation is everything in court, and a lot of the times we go, the attorneys are dressed fine, because we kind of know how to maneuver. Like I just told you, I have different shoes for different courts, different settings. Today I had a motion to adjudicate a criminal case in state court. So I'm more formal today with the jacket and those loafer-like shoes. Not to say that heels aren't welcome, because I wear nothing but heels a lot of the time, but it just depends on the day and the case. Okay. So I'm saying this to say this. My clients, I give them, we go over what they're going to wear to court. I mean, I don't know any other way to tell you. Like, I'm going to control what you wear to court. And the reason that I have to do that sometimes is because some of the times people aren't dressed appropriately for me to, for them to give off what I'm trying to have them give off. Presentation with respect to my clients is everything, because you're being a judge. And I tell people this all the time. You're going to have a court look at you in a matter of hours and determine what's going to happen to you for the rest of your life. I'm going to repeat that. You're going to have a court look at you for hours, y'all, and determine what's going to happen to you for the rest of your life. Whether it's a custody case, whether it's a criminal matter, no matter what type of case it is, a civil matter, it's money on the line. It's custody, it's your child on the line. This is your life on the line, right? Your freedom's on the line. And they're just going to look at you in a small amount of time and judge you. That's what they're going to do. So you got to make sure you put the best foot forward. Your attorney, a lot of the times, you're known in the courts as attorneys, so the judges already know you. But so it's the client that they're looking at. They're looking at the client because they know that most of the time they're going to know your attorney. They're going to know what type of attorney they are. They're going to know whether, they like that attorney, or whether they feel like that attorney is a little slick, or what they feel like that attorney does a good job or really prepares themselves and whatnot. So they know the attorneys, okay? But it's you they got to judge, because what happens at the end of the day doesn't bother the attorneys so much. It hurts our pride. It hurts our ego. It hurts our reputation. But it has no bearing on our lives when we walk out. It has a bearing on yours. So we got to make sure we wear the right, outfits. I'm just going to go ahead and give you some examples. I have had people come in on custody battles where the woman say, he beats me up, he done beat me down and drugged me down the street, and da 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 da, and I done had to get protective orders, and I had to do this, and he always put his hands on me. He always coming up here and he's selling drugs at his mama house, and I don't think my baby should be over there. This is true. This is what I've heard before. And my client showed up in a Moschine outfit and some Air Force Ones. I was so irritated. I did what I had to do, and I just had him wait in the hallway. I got his case reset, because I'm like, bruh, she say you sell drugs, bruh. You like a drug dealer, bruh. You look like you stepped straight out of BET. Right? Come on, man. Like what? And I wear y'all. I wear whatever too. You know what I mean? I wear regular clothes too. I'm not gonna go in court like that. Somebody says, I'm a drug dealer. I'm not gonna dress like a drug dealer and come to court. So I had to put him on what I call my Mr. Rogers uniform. And I will give that to my clients. And I'm going to give you guys the Mr. Rogers uniform. The Mr. Rogers uniform is what I have on right now. A simple turtleneck with either a sweater or a jacket. Okay? You can wear either one. Either one is fine. Okay? You can even come with the turtleneck without anything. Okay? Let me show you. See these turtlenecks? They excellent. You can use them in the summertime. They normally sell short sleeve turtlenecks, or you can go in the wintertime with them. They're really a good professional year round shirt. To be honest with you, a lot of people and guys, especially, I understand they don't like the dress shirt thing. I get it. A turtleneck will set you free and save you every time. Every time. And you can even wear your pieces with it and it looks nice. Okay? So right now, I got my turtleneck on. I done took my turtleneck off. Okay? And I just got it on with my pants, I'm just have my pants on, okay? So if I had to run in really quick, whatever, I still look good. I still have my shoes on. I don't have my jacket. So you're giving yourself 3 different outfits. And we're gonna pop a sweater on. This is my Mr. Rogers. And I'll have gentlemen wear that. It's a sweater with a turtleneck. Okay? Any sort of sweater will do. You can either do a long sleeve sweater on the outside. Sweater vests are perfect for this look. And your turtleneck. Okay? And then they can't see through you. They don't really know, She comes and says you're this drug dealer or you're some bad guy or you've done all these things and you're so well dressed. The first initial point of judgment is going to be, well, this gentleman's put together. I don't know about that because he's put together and she's not dressed so nice. Okay? So, all else fails, no matter what case you're on. You don't want to wear that suit jacket? That's fine. Get a nice sweater, okay? Nice sweater vest, okay? And put your turtleneck underneath it. And you can maneuver. You don't have to wear a dress shirt. I know a lot of guys don't have dress shirts nowadays, okay? Or you can wear your dress shirt, okay? And you can wear your dress shirt either with a sweater on the outside or a suit jacket. I don't normally prefer men to come and show up without jackets, okay? Men have to really have some sort of jacket. Women can get by without a jacket most of the time. But for men, you got to have something over. So if you don't like to wear jackets, again, wear a sweater or a sweater vest is perfect. And then you're feeling okay. It gets really hot in Texas in the summertime. I get that. And so at least you're not so hot. And then you don't have to have that whole suit jacket on because you got a regular turtleneck underneath. Or you can have your nice dress shirt underneath your sweater. Okay? But courtroom decorum is important. If somebody says that you steal stuff or what have you, you don't come in court with a polo shirt on, and your pants sagging. Okay? Because you're going to look like a thug. Okay, so they say you're breaking in cars, but you coming in looking like a thug. They believe it. I mean, it's hard for people not to pass judgment on you when they don't know you based on the way you look, because that's just what people do. It's wrong. It doesn't make sense, but that's just kind of the boat we're in when we're in court. And so a lot of the times as the client, you don't get a chance to speak. So no matter how an attorney looks, sometimes they can overcome that with speaking. But you don't have you're not afforded that right as the client. They're just generally looking at you a lot of the times. You'll speak whenever somebody asks you a question or something, and that's the only time that you're going to be able to throw something behind how you look. So you got to make sure you look great every time, so that if you're not able to speak, your clothes, they speak for themselves, and you're looking okay. So always pay attention to what you wear to court. Do not, and I always tell people, I don't care what's going on. You in criminal court, do not wear no polo shirt to criminal court. Do not wear a polo shirt to criminal court. Do not wear a collared shirt to criminal court. The collared cotton shirts, Tommy Hilfiger polo chaps, any brand, don't wear those. That's a lazy, casual look. And it's not something that I allow my clients to wear. I make my clients come with, you're going to have to come with a turtleneck or you're going to come with a button-down shirt. You could pick, okay? But you got one or two things you can wear to court. You can wear a button-down or you can wear a turtleneck. You got to come with one of those. I cannot stick. Do not, especially, God of mercy, do not put that polo shirt on, man, with the freaking belt and the casual pants and the belt. Don't do it. It's just especially for criminal court, do not do it. If you're coming to criminal court, just come all the way. Just come on, bring it. If you're gonna bring it, bring it. Bring it. Okay? Come with your turtleneck, come with your button down. The polo shirts don't really have a place in court. People tend to wear them, but you gotta think about it. You like a coach. You know what I mean? And you gotta put your best foot forward. So, you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to email me. All right, add me on Instagram, she_ya_lawyer. I'll be happy to help you. Have a fantastic day.